transferring money from Greendot to Chime is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, ensure that your Greendot card is linked to a bank account. You can accomplish this by logging into your Greendot account online or using the mobile app. Navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section to find options for linking a bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information and verify the connection. Once your bank account is linked, you can proceed to transfer funds from Greendot to your linked bank account. Log into your Greendot account online or through the mobile app and look for the option to transfer funds or initiate a bank transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select your linked bank account as the destination. Follow the prompts to confirm the transfer. Next, link your Chime account to the same bank account. Log into your Chime account online or through the Chime mobile app. Navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section where you can find the option to link a bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information and verify the connection. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from Greendot to Chime. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.